doing, ma'am? I'm good. I mean, besides the flat tire and all, everything's good, right? Okay. Which tire is it? I guess on. It's that one. It doesn't even look hardly flat.
No, it's not flat. So,
Did we got a nail in it or something, or is it?
you see that?
Oh, oh, yeah, oh, girl. You know, let me show you something here real quick. Here, check me out. I'm in the same boat as you. I'm glad I made it here. So where is it? See this slice in my tire right here? When it goes down to the bottom, it opens up like that wide, and you can see almost in the tire, and my front one too. Yeah, it's the same thing. I'm actually, once I leave here, I'm going to Walmart to see if I can get some tires. So I feel you. Well, I'm glad you did. Did you look at the other side? Okay. All right, you probably should. I mean, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but if you got one tire that looks like that,
You know what? I actually, but I'm not really concerned. I just recently got them probably like 2, 3 weeks ago.
the front tires or?
All 3 of those. This was the last.
Oh no, really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well that's good then. All right, well we got the spare out, so that's good. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna check and make sure it's got good air in it, and should only take me a couple minutes. You want me to put the other tire in here, or where you want
You
it?
can put it back here. That's fine.
On top of that thing is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm all done. Where do you want this? Okay. And I put the spare in the back. I'm going to go ahead and close the trunk for you.
Okay,
All right. Is there anything else I can do for you? All right. Well, excuse the glove, but God bless you. You have a blessed evening. Thank you.